This is not financial advice. This is not legal advice. For entertainment, educational purposes only. Everything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see how I'm analyzing the data. But I tell you every day in every video, the data they release us is false. It's meant to give us a bad narrative of the market so we can make terrible trading decisions. They like to keep us off balance. Here's the thing. Yesterday the market was red. I mean, it was blood red. I mean, the kind of red that brings the sharks out. Okay? The Russell was down. The SPY was down. The QQQ was down. Gold was down. The Dow was down. NASDAQ was down. Bitcoin was down. I mean, the market was red. And a lot of you saying, okay, what difference does that make for us, for AMC, for investors, for GME investors? And here's why I believe this is great news. This is why I believe this is a great catalyst that's going to take AMC, 8, GME, and the other MEP stocks to the moon. And here's why. With all these stocks in the red, all the hedgies, the market makers, the brokers, and all their co-conspirators lost billions of dollars yesterday. And some of these guys, when they trade on margin, they don't trade on margin the way retail trades on margin, 2 to 1, maybe 3 to 1. These guys trade on margin 50 to 1, 100 to 1. So when a stock drops 5% in their margin account, they're in big trouble. When a stock drops 10% in their margin account, it is time for them to start finding the cash to make the margin calls. And I believe from this morning, when the market opens, a lot of the bad actors, a lot of their co-conspirators are going to have margin calls waiting for them when they open their account. And if they don't have the liquidity to bring their accounts current, what is going to happen? They're going to be forced to sell their long positions that are lost. And once they get done doing that, when they run out of long positions to sell in order to satisfy their margin requirements, I believe the next thing they're going to be forced to do is start covering their short positions. And I believe, and we never want to give a time frame because this can happen at any time. Nobody's not Nostradamus. We can't see the future, else we know when to invest our money. We can only look at the charts and make educated guesses. But based on the market being so red, based on the CPI, based on everything that I've been seeing all around the world, I believe APE and AMC and GME is about to MOASS. I believe we're going to see it go up. I'm not saying it's going to be a MOASS, but I see a run coming because these guys are going to get margin call because the markets are so red, and they're going to be forced into liquidation. And when they're forced into liquidation, they're going to be forced to cover their short positions. There's no other way out of it, and that is why they keep spreading the AMC and APE FUD, because they know the clock is ticking on them and they're almost done. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, and tell me what you think about the market being so red that these bad actors and their co-conspirators are going to be forced to cover their short position. Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.